Hi everyone. Did you know that IT as a career and as an industry is one of the fastest growing industry in Nigeria as well as in the entire world? Also, IT is one of the best industry that create a lot of new job to the young talented Nigerians and Africa. This is Ali Garba and this is the Tech Factor podcast. This is our first episode for the entire Tech Factor podcast. I'm very happy so that we can start to show the world on what the Tech Factor is all about. The Tech Factor podcast mainly focus on technology innovation, technology transformation, as well as everyone that want to start their own career journey in the IT space. You need to listen to every single episode for the Tech Factor podcast. We will be inviting different IT professionals across industry vertical so that they can come and give us insight as well as they can tell us about their own career journey. Personally believe that IT, which is information technology, is the way for every single youth so that they can learn it, and if they learn IT they can be able to change their own career because it has changed mine. It has also changed so many people's career. So don't forget, when you want to learn IT, especially you want to know something about IT journey, make sure that you subscribe for our podcast, which is the Tech Factor. Follow us on all social media platforms: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and so on and so